Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel to solve this beautiful math problem. 4 raised to power x over 16 is equal to 40. We want to find the value of s using this simple step-by-step method. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us begin. Solution. We have the given equation 4 raised to power x over 16 is equal to 40. Now let us multiply the whole of this equation by 16. This is 4 raised to power x multiplied by 16 over 16 is equal to 40 multiplied by 16. This 16 cancel this 16, 1. 4 raised to power s is equal to 40 multiplied by 16. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to the power of s is equal to log 40 multiplied by 16. Take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power m, this is equal to m log a. Then this can be written as x log 4 is equal to, the whole of this can be written as log 40 multiplied by 16. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4. This divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. X is equal to log 40 multiplied by 16 over log 4. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then the whole of this can be written as s is equal to log 40 plus log 16 over log 4. Let us split this. X is equal to log 40 over log 4 plus log 16 over log 4. 40 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. Then 16 is equal to 4 square. X is equal to log 8 multiplied by 5 over log 4 plus log 16 can be written as log 4 square over log 4. S is equal to log 8 multiplied by 5 can be written as log 8 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 4 square can be written as 2 log 4 over log 4. This cancel this. Then 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to log 2 raised to the power of 3 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4 plus 2. Now this can be written as S is equal to, if you rearrange this, we have 2 plus, this is 3 log 2 over log 4 can be written as 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. X is equal to 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by log 5 over log 2. This is over 1 here. The SM is 2. 2 in 1, 2 times 2, 4 plus 3. That is 7 over 2. X is equal to 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 over log 2. If you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then you can see that 1 over 2 is common. S is equal to 1 over 2 bracket 7 plus log 5 base 2. Then this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 4 raised to power x over 16 is equal to 40. Now, s is 1 over 2 bracket 7 plus log 5 base 2. 4 raised to power 1 over 2 bracket 7 plus log 5 base 2 over 16 must be equal to 40. Now, 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 1 over 2 bracket 7 plus log 5 base 2 over 16 must be equal to 40. This cancel this. Then the numerator can be written as 2 raised to power 7 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 over 16 must be equal to 40. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log m base a, this is equal to m. Then 2 raised to power 7 is 2 multiplied by 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 2. Then multiply by the whole of this is 5 over 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 must be equal to 40. These two cancel these two. 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 We have 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 40. 2 raised to power 3, this is 8 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 40. And of course, 8 times 5, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.